Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A mature tattoo channel to share knowledge about brother tattoos. Today I will share with you a knowledge about tattoo. That's what the technology is. I use a long needle tattoo machine. Use long needle. This is called a Rod-Ollie tattoo machine. Here it is. This tattoo machine is extremely compact, easy to use, and it fits the economy. We can be left out for us. We learn as we train. When you first started getting tattoos and you just started looking for as well as interested in the tattoo industry, not everyone is qualified. Buy yourself a tattoo machine. It's expensive, it's good. So this is a very compact tattoo machine. Easy to use, brothers. Before we get a tattoo, then we should use some Vaseline. Use Vaseline. Here to give the process that we do, we tattoo. It will be easier. Brothers, smear a little Vaseline's in the spot where we need to tattoo. I'm getting a tattoo on fake skin. This fake leather is made of silicone, so its ability to eat ink. It's going to be harder than if we had tattoos on real skin. When we're tattooing on real skin, it's easier to eat ink on fake leather. It's called fake leather. And now we're going to do this. When we get tattooed, our fingers will hold tight into the tattoo machine and hold it down to the nib position. You shouldn't hold it too high. Hold it down and we'll hold the tattoo machine. It will be more certain. And it's tighter with the hand. When that's where our tattoos are. That's our tattoo line. It will stop shaking hands and the kim that we. If you give it, it will be much more accurate. Compared to being us. Let go of your fingers. Mill it. And now that we're going to do it, we're going to do it. You will tilt at a 45-degree angle for yourself. For the process that tattooing, it'll be more convenient and easier. 4 degrees, can you see clearly? All the brothers are. Watch this video. If you find your video interesting and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. To track the content better and better, more useful on the channel. A mature's tattooed bro. And now I'm going to move on. When we get tattooed, then you will hold it really firmly and you guys tattoo slowly. Slow tattoos to do what slow tattoos to give the process. Needle it, pierce the skin. It has enough time for it to put ink into the skin. If you get a tattoo and you surf Kim so fast, it's not enough time for Kim to put ink in her skin. That you've been gliding like that, the position that, it's our tattoo. It's not going to worry about ink, and it's not clear. Brothers. That's why I've got a tattoo. So now I'm going to clean it up. Let's see. A very chi road is. Crisp and clear lines always, brothers. I'm going to zoom back a little. Let's show you. Let's make it clearer. Can you see the clarity? Keep up the lights, brothers. That's it. It has to be technically correct. That's the right technique. Then make sure the lines of his tattoos. It is extremely beautiful, smooth. Stretch sharp ink. So this is just the basic in focus technique. I hope you guys can make this video. It is easy to do as well as. When you see it, you will try. Is that you bring the RA machine so you can practice. If you practice like that, it will. Easier to do. And it's easier to understand the technique than you guys. When you're done, you just dot. Just a little dot. Dots like that. Well, our ink won't get smudged. When you're done. After getting a tattoo, you have to. If you clean it, you will get it on the new road. As you can see, the tattoo path of my tattoo is always clean and beautiful. I'm getting 7 tattoos, 7 of them. In the next video, I'll show you 7 pieces of knowledge on tattoo polish. I hope that I have a lot of knowledge about tattoo. You will always be welcomed and welcomed. When we are do tattoo practice. In this fake skin, we have to be persistent. And you'll work hard for yourself. Guys, slow down. When you slow down, then you'll feel the needle that goes through your skin. How and when you slow down, you will. It controls the machine as well as the hand. It's a lot easier. Compared to the fact that you're going to get it done. That's it, people. You find yourself getting tattoos very slowly, right? When we tattoo so slowly, then our tattoo will be polished. Much more than that. It's much nicer, brothers and sisters. And now, please follow along. Note the process by which we make our tattoos. This is the way you dance. In front of my brothers. This is the part that I did. I go LED. After that, we shot the details and... Watch this. It's a lot of ink. Although it's not very straight. Because the place where it's spinning is pretty close to this one. I'm afraid to shake the phone, so it doesn't work. It's not very straight. But this is the knowledge. And the technology that we're going to focus on. Let our strokes always be full of ink. And sharpen as well as restrain your hands as much as possible. Then you guys watch my video. You guys have a hard time training. You can go straight, go round. It goes all the way, but the technology that holds the machine. Also with back. The speed at which you're going, it's got to be right. Then when we've got a really neat line. And take care of the ink. It's not broken. It's broken. Do you see your own way? It's very smooth. It doesn't break. Stumble, it doesn't break, brothers. You see that? You guys are watching the video. If you think your video is good and rewarding, don't forget to press like and subscribe to channels to follow great content. And more useful than you. In the video. Next, I will guide you as 1. 2BA 4 years 6-7. 7 PCS tattoo polishing technique. You lost a lot of money going to school. That. Not sure if it was master. It's not as if they were taught. Brothers A2BA 4 year 6-7. 7 pieces of this tattoo polishing technique. It applies to all kinds of tattoos. Ancient Japanese figure. The Japanese picture is saved. Old school new school is a mini. Then the portrait is realistic. It all revolves around all 7 of these polishing techniques. If not, the brothers are dating. See you guys in the next video. You guys are watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below, brothers. Oh, my brothers. Hi and see you in the next video. Brothers trying to get home. Try to practice this technique. This is often my brother.